Blimey! Good thoughts. It just winded. Oh, hello. So, I'm here to talk about World War One. So, quickly before I continue, I'd like to share a good quote from my friend, Billy Bishop. It's better to go down willingly in a crash than to be shot down in flames by an enemy. Now that that is out of the way, let's talk business. So, I will be taking you throughout World War One in my magic airplane to look at many different things. Here we go. As you can see, our frontline forces here have a lot of terrain to cover if they want to make it to the German enemies across the ridge here. Now our offensive is that we can get air support. Then if we can get the ridge taken over, we can get rid of the artillery, and then we can do a slow creeping barrage to make it up that hill. Don't you think that's a good strategy, Hector? No? What should we do?
General Sir Arthur William Currie, a senior officer of the Canadian Army, studied battles so that Canadians can improve their strategies on the field. He kept a list of things to remember as not to forget them, for they would be crucial for the future. His approach to war was a thought-out preparation must lead to success. Neglect nothing. His finds were later on used during the war.
Hey guys, so right now we're doing a recap of the current scene we just did, with the flags, with the plane, with Hector and all that. We're going to take a recap and we're going to explain all these objects' historical significance. So, here we have the Semaphore flags. Now these flags are held hand signals that used to send messages during the First World War. By holding one flag in each hand and positioning the arms in a specific position, the signaler indicated a letter or number. So what they do is they take these, and there's two of them right here. What they do is they hold them at different positions and they'll represent different numbers or a letter. So that's how they send signals. We have a page right here showing how they would send the signals and different numbers and letters. Canada! Okay, let's move on to the map. Now, this is a reproduction of a map from World War I, which is really cool. This map was drawn to help and plan and execute the battles of the First World War. This map shows the natural terrain of the areas as well as human-made elements like buildings, roads, railways, railway lines, weapon positions, and trenches. So as you can see, we have our different indicators at the bottom of the map showing us what each one of these symbols on the map actually mean. And we have something very cool here. Now here we have an aviator scarf. Oh, hello. So, here I am on my plane again, and I'd like to tell you some amazing fashion choices I've made. As you can see, I'm wearing these beautiful goggles right here, this amazing jacket, but most of all, my aviator scarf. This is a silk scarf worn by pilots during the First World War. The scarf was worn for warmth and used to clean pilots' goggles while flying. As you can see, I can't see anything through my goggles. Where am I? Oh. If you're seeing this, please send help actually. Ah! We really hope you enjoyed the skit, and we hope you keep on watching the rest of the video. So now to the rest. Ah! Oh, I really need to get a seatbelt in that plane and keep on falling out of it. Don't it?
Are you okay, sir? What does it hurt?
Everywhere.
Like right here?
Yeah!
Okay, that's really bad. Could you please just stay still?
Okay.
Still, sir. Stop moving.
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm wrapping you around. This will make you feel better.
How?
I don't know how. Just stay still, sir.
Aren't you a triage nurse? You're supposed to know how to make me feel better, not just wrap me around like a mummy.
Stay, sir. Stay still, sir.
You're not trying to kidnap me, are you? Help! Help! Pilot being captured! Oh! Help! Please! Oh! Oh my gosh. Where's that crazy lady? Oh, she looks to be gone. Oh, trying to bandage me up, all that. Well, she's supposed to help soldiers on the front lines. Actually, what she was wearing is a nursing sister's apron. This is a great garment that Canada nurses wore to protect their uniforms from getting dirty in the First World War. So, can anyone help me get out of this? Oh, hold on. Yes, I'm free! Okay, so, on to the next episode, or object, whichever it is now. So, bye! And remember to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye! Huh, you probably thought I was gonna fall into this scene, huh? But no, this time I didn't take a plane, I took a taxi! Huh! By the way, do any of you have change? I kind of owe him some money. So, what are these? Oh, this is a strip of wool cloth which is worn with the ankle boots by Canadian soldiers and other members of the British Empire forces during the First World War. These things were called puttees, I believe. Puttees were wrapped around the soldier's lower leg from the ankle up to keep his knees and his upper regions dry, because that way when he stepped in mud and everything else, he would not get as much wet as without puttees. They're pretty much like socks you wrap around your ankles. Yeah, so cool. So, no taxis anymore. Oh well, I'll get another plane. Please don't fall out of this one. So, remember to share, like, subscribe, and watch that next episode. And check out other things we have on our history channel here. So, I really hope you enjoyed it, and bye! Ah! Oh! Hey! What in the world? Where am I? Oh, you again. Oh, hello. So, oh, yes, I'm flying you through history and everything. So, where are we? Oh, would you look at that? I know what that is. That is an official war art. This is an example of a painting that were made to document the First World War. Official war art was also included in other types of art, such as sculptures and print. Cool. What else is there? Here, what is this? Here. Heavy. So, this is an example of war art as well. This is a shell casing that was decorated and kept as a piece of art, made from the variety of war-related materials such as Trent art, which was made by soldiers, civilians, and commercial films during the First World War. Thank you. Now I have to find a way to get another plane. Bye. Ah! Oh! Not again.
What happened?
Ugh. Hello. So,
Hello?
Where am I?
You are in a Canadian library. Where you going? What are you going?
Oh, cool. So, what is all this?
So, today I was looking at a couple of things. For example, here right in front of me, I have a soldier's photo album. This is a private or amateur war photography. It was considered personal photographs taken by soldiers with their own cameras. This is a copy of a scrapbook put together by the Canadian soldier William Van Allen, showing his life during the First World War. It includes photographs, telegraphs, and souvenirs from his time on the war.
Oh, I've heard about something like this. This is one of those prisoners of war documents, right?
That's correct.
Yes, a prisoner of war is any person or any groups of persons held captive by another country during war. During the First World War, approximately 10 million people became prisoners of war.
Yeah, it was very sad. And also here we have some official war photography. These are some of more than 8,000 photographs that they were taken by professional photographers.
So cool.
Yes, that's a lot. During the First World War, the Canadian military authorized these photographs.
Cool.
So we can preserve history and know what happened after everybody is gone. It has been a long time since the First World War.
Many, many years it's been. So, thank you so much for sharing this with me, Mrs.
Mrs. Mommy.
Mrs. Mommy Puppet. Thank you very much. Now I have to go find another plane.
Bye.
Bye.
You can stay here and look at the rest of the pictures. There are very interesting pictures in this album. Many of them are displayed at the Canadian War Museum.
You'll leave the link below.
Yeah, and you can check them, some of them online. So enjoy them.
Bye! And remember, hit that subscribe button, share, and watch the next video. Bye!
Yeah, share it with your friends, your
Subscribe!
teachers, everybody subscribe, yay!
Thank you for flag faces, and that has been our weekly flag face. Oh, I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here, and if you'd like to see other stuff, click here, and please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!